everyone, my name is Miss Elizabeth and I'm a children's librarian at the Guilderland Public Library. Today I'm going to be doing some rhymes with you, and all of these rhymes are included in our new Grab-n-Go Storytime Kit, which is available today, Monday, March 22nd, via our pickup service in the Norman Skill Room. You can find it by following the two blue arrows that point to the little side door. And it's available starting at 10 a.m. on a first come, first served basis. The rhymes I'm going to be doing are included on our favorite rhymes page, double-sided, which is included in your kit. I'm going to be doing 3 of the rhymes. If you are able to pick up a kit today, you'll also find a scarf and a shaker egg in there, which we'll be using for 2 of the rhymes. If you're unable to get a kit, no worries. You can just use whatever you have around the house. You could use a washcloth or something like that instead of a scarf. And instead of a shaker egg, you could use something else like spices or box of pasta to shake around. All right? So the first rhyme we're going to do is on the front of your paper, and it's called Popcorn Kernels. The other 2 are on the back, and they are Shake It and Jump and We Wiggle and Wiggle and Stop. So get your scarf or whatever you're using for a scarf, and let's do popcorn kernels. We're going to start by shaking it up high. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em till they pop, till they pop. Good job. Let's do it again. Ready? Scarves up high. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em till they pop, till they pop. Good job. For this next song, you need your shaker egg or whatever you're using to shake instead. We're going to do a song called Shake It and Jump. Ready? Got some space to move around? Here we go. Shake it and jump, shake it and jump, shake it, shake it, shake it and jump, jump, jump. Shake it and jump, shake it and jump, shake it, shake it, shake it and jump. Good. The second verse is shake it and stomp. So you're going to stomp your foot. Ready? Shake it and stomp, shake it and stomp, shake it, shake it, shake it and stomp, stomp, stomp. Shake it and stomp, shake it and stomp, shake it, shake it, shake it and stomp. Nice. And the last verse is shake it and clap. Ready? Shake it and clap, shake it and clap, shake it, shake it, shake it and clap, clap, clap. Shake it and clap, shake it and clap, shake it, shake it, shake it and clap. Good job! For our last rhyme, we're just going to be using our bodies, and it is called We Wiggle and Stop. So to wiggle, you can just wiggle your hands if you want to, or you can wiggle your whole body. It's up to you. Ready? Here we go. We wiggle and stop. We wiggle and stop. We wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and stop. Nice. The second verse is we clap and we stop. Here we go. We clap and we stop. We clap and we stop. We clap and we stop. Nice. For the next one, we're going to jump. Ready? We jump and we stop. We jump and we stop. We jump and we stop. Nice. Now for the last verse, we're going to spin. You can spin around, or you can just spin your arms. It's up to you. Ready? We spin and we stop. We spin and we stop. We spin and we stop. Good job. Now that rhyme is especially good to do with babies because you can hold your baby on your lap and you can wiggle them and you can clap their hands. And then I left out one of the verses, which is we bounce and we stop. And that's great for bouncing your baby on your lap. This this rhyme and a lot of the other rhymes too. You can always make up your own verses, whatever you and your child think are fun. So I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope you had a good time, and I hope you have fun doing the rest of the rhymes that are included in the kit. Have a great day!